Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. If you're here to see what's in this box, then please keep watching. This is the second time me trying to film this video, only because I just found out that my mic wasn't on, so bear with me. So take two. You guys, my package just came. I saved this here unboxing so you guys can see the true unboxing. I did open it for this part because, like I said, I did film this and I noticed that my mic wasn't on. So here I'm going to go ahead and open the top part. I'm glad I was able to figure it out before I filmed the whole video, because one time that did happen. So here is the inside of the box. Yes, we got another Gucci. I know y'all like, really, Miss Tamika? Out of all the Gucci bags that I'm going to show here on this channel, I only ended up keeping, well, I kept one, but not sure about this one as of yet. Small pink bag, I did end up returning that because I just felt like that wasn't an everyday type of bag for me. And for a few dollars more, I ended up getting the bigger size. So you will see that here on my channel. You probably will see that before you will see this video. And I am happy with the bigger size of the bag. I love the pink in the small size, but I just felt like for that price, I might as well get a bigger bag where I can carry more and, you know, don't have to worry about anything. But anyway, here is the same type of packaging as the first Gucci, and this here did come from the actual Gucci store. I didn't get this from Bloomingdale's this time, and I did write a little note to myself that says I love you. I always do that when I order from high-end stores because I be wanting them to gift wrap it and do all of that. So if you never purchased from like Louis Vuitton or Gucci, and this is your first time and you want all the packaging, and you want to make sure you get all the packages, just make sure you select gift, because most of the time it's free. And now if you gotta pay, I wouldn't, you know, get the gift wrapping, but it is free, so you don't have to worry about paying for it. You just have to make sure you check it up. You check that box when you checking out. Here is the bag, and the good thing about Gucci is they do give you the store experience without you actually going to the store, because for some reason Louis Vuitton, Gucci, all those high-end stores are so crowded, like so crowded. Because when I returned the pink bag to get the bigger bag that I got, I stood in line for a while, and the only reason why I stood in line as long as I did because I wanted my bag that day. But if for some reason this bag doesn't work out for me, this is gonna go through the mail. Like, I'm not even gonna take my time and go back down to Lenox Mall, because Phipps Plaza, that's where I went to the actual Gucci store at, that was crowded. The girls said over in the Lenox Mall area in Neiman Marcus, that Gucci was crowded. Like, they were so crowded. It was just ridiculous, you guys. Like, it was crowded. It was so crowded. A guy walked up and said, yeah, is they having a sale or something? And we was like, no. Well, you know, they asked the people in front of me. They was like, no. And they was wondering why it was so crowded. But anyway, here's the bag. Like I said, you get your shopping bag. I heard people can sell these bags and people pay up to $20 for these bags. So if anyone want this bag for $20, hit your girl up, because I'll give it to you for $20. That could put gas in my car. The box. And I've just been so, when I tell you, I've been doing a lot of cleaning out my closet. Because if you're not using stuff in your closet, it's no point of keeping it. And I had a problem with that. But now I'm that girl that if I'm not using it, it got to go. It got to go. So I sold a lot of things on Poshmark. So with that money, I just was saving it until I can, you know, decide what I wanted to purchase. And as of now, Gucci is more affordable than Louis Vuitton. As I did notice that Louis Vuitton did go up in price. And I'm like, we gonna stay over here in Gucci, because Gucci is cute. It just don't hold its value when you go to resale. But these things here, that I just purchased from Gucci. I'm not looking to sell, so I'm good with that. But if you're looking to purchase a high-end item and looking to sell down the line, Gucci may not be the place for you, because like I said, they don't hold its resale value like Louis Vuitton do. So there is the box. And I did take a picture in this bag, and yo, it's so crazy because I would have never thought in a million years I would purchase a bag like this. But here is your Gucci sticker here on the front. Hopefully y'all can see it. I don't know who she is. I don't know who I am, like, for real. Like, it's been so long, y'all. I done got a little taste, and now I'm like, oh my gosh. But here is, oh, this dust bag is so cute. So here's the dust bag, and let me show you. Here's the bag, and this is the bag that I got. And if you follow me on Instagram, I showed this bag in a picture. I had on a yellow dress that I got from Forever 21 when my daughter and we were dressed alike. And I tried this bag on, and yo, I fell in love with the bag. I was just like, oh my goodness. Like, I kept thinking about it. And once I got the bigger bag, I was like, okay, I got a few dollars left over. I said, let me go ahead and order this bag and bring it home, because I tried it on in the store. The store was so crowded that I really couldn't, not crowded, but it was like a long line outside. And I knew that day I wasn't there to purchase anything. And I just felt like I was wasting their time just looking at the bag. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to just go ahead and order the bag, bring it to my home, play with it, try it on and everything like that. And then I don't have to worry about anything, because the way the line went, they can see you in the store. And I just felt like, I just felt uncomfortable with everybody looking at me like, okay, will she hurry up kind of look. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and order this bag, because when I tried it on, I didn't realize how cute this bag was. Like I said, I never thought in a million years that I would purchase something like this. Now, this is a lot smaller than that pink bag, and the only reason why I didn't keep that pink bag, because of course the pink bag is bigger than this. I felt like if I get that bigger, you know, the bigger version of the Marmont, and then this one I can use as a everyday type of bag, for as when I throw my keys in there and run to the store and things like that. I just felt like I didn't want to keep two Marmonts, if you get what I'm saying. Like, this is in the Marmont family, but as you can see, it's a totally different design compared to the original Marmont. So I was like, okay, I'll feel a little better if I do decide to keep this. It's not the same far as the shape. So here is this little cutie. Now, this one here is the new summer collection. I guess that's the summer collection. I'm not sure what collection it is, but I know they came out with a lot. They came out with a lot of, okay, see, nope, I'm gonna have to return this bag. Look at this, y'all. See, you see that on them GGs? No, ma'am. Okay, so I'm a little bummed about that. I'm gonna have to call Gucci up and let them know about this and have them send me out another one. But I'm gonna make sure I'm loving it before I even had them send me out another one, because I would hate for them to send me out another one and then I decide I don't even want to keep it at all. I don't know if this is a sign of it eventually going to wear like this. Like, do you see that? So now I'm wondering, you know, within time, will this end up looking like this? Because if so, I would be highly, highly upset, because these bags here are not cheap. Why this here looks like that, wipe it off. To be honest, y'all, it's probably meant for me not to even keep the bag. But I got the bag, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the bag. So it comes with a silver chain, silver here hardware. Strap is a lot shorter. Like, I wish the Marmont bags would have had this type of, not strap, but this here pull tab. But here it unzippers. It unzips like this. Let me. So here is the inside of the bag, and I like this bag because you can throw your cell phone, card case, keys, AirPods, probably a lip product, maybe hand sanitizer, and you out the door. Marmont bag, like I said, I did keep the small, and I was going to use that probably more so once the weather break, as far as like winter time. And so this here do have a do have a card case in the inside. It has, so this do have a card case in the inside where you can place at least 2 cards. Now, instead of sending this through the mail, what I may do is, a lot of people had appointments. So maybe if I look through the return process to see what's my time frame, and then maybe make an appointment so then I can get my bag on, you know, on spot instead of sending it away and have to deal with that. Because I think I'm going to go ahead and keep this bag since I was able to treat myself. It is the same type of material as the Marmont bags, that suede type of material, and it is like that beige type. Do is, y'all already know, I'm going to go ahead and take all this off. So I'm gonna call the Gucci store and see if I can make an appointment, because with an appointment I don't have to stand in line as long. So that's what I may do, because I'm that person that I want my stuff right away. This here bag came from New Jersey, because the only thing is wrong with the bag is the front, and I am not going to keep this bag with that on the front of that like that. It's no way possible. And if I didn't mention, the bag has the hearts. It has a heart on the back instead of the 2 GGs. And let me pull this table, push this table up. So here, the bag. So here the bag fits really nice. Like it fits at a good spot on me. So yeah, here's the bag on my side, and I just wanted to show y'all really quick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna gather some things up so I can do a really quick what fits in the bag, how it looks on my body, and show you different ways to carry. Well, not that there's a lot of ways to carry it, but you know, I'm gonna just show the few ways that I may carry it. With that being said, you guys, if you like these types of videos, please give this video a big thumbs up because it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.